Hi, I'm going to talk about the organizational structure of a capital market division of an investment bank. More precisely, about the interactions and functionalities between its three departments: the front office, the middle office and the back office. My name is Patrick Robert and I have 30 years of experience as a business analyst in investment banking. The front office is a department that is in direct contact with the market and groups together several professions, in particular traders and salespeople. The main role of a trader is to set the price on financial products and to generate a margin on the purchase and resale operation executes. He is not in direct contact with the bank clients, that is the role of a salesman. The trader must also manage his portfolio, composed of different financial assets, shares, bonds, but also more complex assets like derivatives. When the trader buys and sells financial assets, he must consider a certain number of risks: the counterparty risk, that is the risk of client default; the market risk, that is the risk of finding one's portfolio exposed to strong market fluctuations and therefore in a losing position. The main role of a salesperson is to be in direct contact with bank customers and to respond to the requests, that is, to buy and to sell financial assets. The salesperson returns to the trader and forwards the customer's request for a financial asset price. Once the client agrees, the trader will execute the trade on behalf of the client and forward it to the middle office. The middle office is a department that will control, enrich and monitor the operation. Its tasks are as follows. First, monitoring the compliance of the transaction with the regulations. Example, anti-money laundering, insider trading. Secondly, controlling the limits of a trade, following the customer rating, and therefore the trader will not be able to trade beyond a certain amount. Thirdly, enrichment of the operation, with attaching settlement instruction. Finally, the middle office monitors the front office activity by producing profit and loss reports. This report will calculate on a daily basis fluctuations in a trader's portfolio in order to determine whether he is above or below his objectives. Once the middle office task has been completed, the operation is transmitted to the back office. The main role of the back office is the post-trade processing. This department will handle the administrative tasks of the operations. The back office will check and validate the transactions to ensure that there are no errors in dates, amounts, and counterparties. The back office will confirm the term of the transaction with the counterparty. Confirmation consists in calling the counterparty by phone or contacting them by email or even by fax and checking whether the specific features of the transaction, settlement circuit, payment system, etc. are the same. The back office will finally be in charge of sending the payment and settlement delivery message to the SWIFT network. Thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope it will enlighten you on the functioning of an investment bank.